Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set to hide offline friends in the Battle.net application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the person button at the top of the page on the left. And then scroll down and click on the settings button. And then click on the app settings button. And just scroll down and look for the hide offline friends section. And as you can see, you can set to hide all of your friends to more than 30 days and to hide none of your offline friends. So just click on the option that you want to choose. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.